What is AI? Krishna's guidance for the digital age. On the sacred battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna, the mighty warrior, stood still. His hands trembled, his mind clouded. Strength wasn't the problem, clarity was. That's when Krishna stepped in, not to fight the war, but to guide the warrior. Krishna didn't make decisions for Arjuna. He gave him perspective, wisdom, and the ability to choose with confidence. That is exactly what artificial intelligence does today. So what is AI? It's not a robot with feelings. It's not magic either. AI is machines mimicking human intelligence. Systems that learn from data, recognize patterns, and help us make smarter decisions. Still not clear? Think of Google Maps. You know your destination. AI simply shows the smartest way to get there. It adjusts, learns, and reroutes when needed. Like Krishna, it doesn't force you, it guides you. From your phone unlocking with your face, to your playlist knowing your mood, to doctors using AI for early diagnosis. AI is already part of your journey, silently guiding, always learning. With Krishna's guidance, Arjuna found purpose again. He picked up his bow not just to fight, but to fight right. AI helps us do the same, navigate complexity with clarity. So if Krishna, the divine guide, helped a warrior make smarter decisions, isn't that exactly what AI does for us today? Join DigiDARA AI Epics, where ancient wisdom meets modern intelligence. Let's learn AI the storytelling way.